today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 3D game assets in Luma AI. Whether you're prototyping a game or building a polished scene, this walkthrough will help you go from a blank screen to a generated 3D object with clear, simple steps. First, log into Luma AI. Make sure you're on a reliable internet connection and using a modern browser for the smoothest experience. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard, and this is your home base for generating new content and reviewing what you've already made. Next, select the option to start creating. This opens the creation workspace where you'll see a prompt box, and think of this box as your command center. What you type here is what the model will try to build. Clear descriptive language leads to better results. In the prompt box, type in your request. For example, you could write 3D asset of a sword. To guide the model toward what you want, add a few practical details. You might specify the style, like realistic, stylized, or low poly. You can mention materials such as steel blade with a worn leather-wrapped handle, a color palette, or even the level of detail. If you care about in-game usability, say something like optimized for games or clean topology look, which encourages a more asset-friendly output. Avoid brand names or copyrighted designs. Instead, describe the shape, era, or inspiration in general terms. The more precise your wording, the fewer iterations you'll need. Then click Send. Luma AI will begin processing your prompt. You'll typically see a progress indicator while the model interprets your description and constructs the asset. Keep the tab open and avoid refreshing the page during this time. Now wait for it to generate. Depending on complexity and server load, this can take anywhere from a short moment to a bit longer. Patience here pays off. When it's done, review the result thoughtfully. Ask yourself if the shape, proportions, and materials match your intent. If something looks off, the simplest fix is to refine your prompt. Add or remove details, clarify the style, or emphasize scale and materials, then click Send again. Small prompt tweaks often lead to big improvements. That's all there is to it. Log in, start creating, describe your asset in the prompt box, click Send, and wait for the generation to complete. With a clear idea and a focused prompt, Luma AI can quickly produce 3D assets that are ready for your next game concept or scene test.